Do you have a tape and ribbon area that kind of looks like this? I mean, this thing is just jam-packed of stuff. You can't find what you need. If so, this video's for you. I'm Tevel. Welcome. Today, we're going to craft this bread box and turn it into a holder for all that tape and ribbon. I have these dowel rods that I got from Dollar General, and I just took about half the pack and cut them into thirds. So you'll see, line them up, cut into thirds. So we're going to use those. And then I'm going to take a couple of more of these and cut them in half later. And I'm also going to use some E6000 and some hot glue to help secure things until the glue E6000 dries. And some alcohol to clean the surface so you make sure you get a good stick. That's where we're going to start. Clean it with alcohol. I'm using 91% so it'll dry fast. Any alcohol will do, except the kind that you're gonna drink. I just put a dab of E6000 on the end of a dowel rod and place it down into the bread box. Later I'll come back and put hot glue around this one, but for most of the others I put hot glue around them as I was placing them in. I'm using these washi tapes to make sure that I have appropriate spacing between each dowel rod as I'm placing them into the box. But I'm just going to do it for a few of them, and then I can kind of eyeball it and see the spacing after that. If you like DIYs and crafting and you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button down there. And if you want to be notified as soon as I post out a video, hit that bell and you'll never miss a video. I'm just going to hit the top of this with some alcohol and let it dry while we finish up the inside. So is it me, or is this starting to kind of look like broken teeth in a mouth? Ah. Okay, now I'm going to work on the top. The ones that I put on the top, I just cut 2 of the larger size dowel rods in half. So they're not in thirds, they're just in half. And I'm going to put 4 on here. Oh yeah, this definitely looks like a mouth. Now it's time to fill it with tape. Here I go. There's a little rhyme and reason to my madness, but for you, I'm just going to get it done fast. After all the tape, it's time for the ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's inspired you to look at some of your items in a different way. What could you repurpose or reuse and turn into something functional? Thanks for joining me. If you want to see more, click that playlist right there. Have a great day.